Okay, so today's question is maximum product of three elements after one replacement. Okay, so the question says you're given an integer array nums. You must replace exactly one element in the array with an integer value in the range minus 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 5, which is inclusive. After performing this single replacement, determine the maximum possible product of any three elements at the distinct indices from the modified array, and we have to return the integer denoting this maximum product achievable. Okay, so our task is to, first of all, there is written exactly one, right? So we have to replace an element of this array with an integer between this, okay, including 10 to the power 5 and minus 10 to the power 5. Okay. And after replacing an element, we have to choose three different elements, not different elements. We have to choose three elements from different indices and we have to find the product. And we should make sure that the product we are finding should be maximum achievable. Okay. So see, it's very simple that if we want maximum product and we have an option to change an element to another element, that it's obvious we will change it to the maximum element possible, right? And here the maximum element is 10 to the power 5, right? So of course we will change here. See, there are three numbers, right? Minus 5, 7, and 0, right? Minus 5, 7, and 0. So if we change minus 5 to any other number, then there are only three numbers and we have to choose three. Then the product will be 0 because we are not changing 0, right? So we have to change this 0, right? Now if we change this 0 to 10 to the power 5, then our product will be minus 5 into 7 into 10 to the power 5. Our product will be negative. And negative is what? Negative is minimum, not maximum, right? So we'll change this 0 with this minus 10 to the power 5 so that our product is maximum, right? Now see, there can be two possibility in this question, right? There can be two possibility. Possibility, the first possibility is that not two possibility. Then there can be, I think, more than three possibilities. Let's check how many possibilities are there. See, so the first possibility is that there can be all of the three number positive, right? Or all of the three number negative. Okay, second possibility, a third possibility can be two positive, one negative, right? Or we can say two negative and one positive. Or it can be also that one number or two number is zero, right? So there can be much possibility. Okay, so much possibility. But see, if we see here, okay, if we see here, we have to find the maximum product, right? If there are two negative elements, let's suppose if there are two negative elements in an array, then basically not two elements, there are, if there are two maximum, basically uh, we are we are finding the elements which are maximum in magnitude but they are negative. Okay, let's suppose there are two maximum absolute element but they are negative. Okay, and we have to find third, so we will be finding third one positive. Why? Because the product of two negative will be obviously positive, and positive into positive will be positive, right? And if there is one element negative and one positive, then we have to choose the maximum element in this which is negative. Okay, let me understood this question with the help of code. Okay, so see, here I will write, first of all I will make all the uh, elements of, you can say, I will find two maximum element in this nums, two maximum element, okay, in this nums. Let's find. So I will write int the, if okay, just I think we can sort the nums, okay, but for this we have to first change all the negative elements to positive element, right? Okay, so let's change this, no problem. Okay, let's write for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and here I will write simply nums of I equals to absolute of nums of I, right? This, Okay, now we have to find the maximum element. For this, we have to sort. We will sort this array, right? Nums dot begin, nums dot end, right? And here greater greater int, right? Okay. Sorry, I mistakenly I sorry. Yeah. Okay. So now we have sorted this array, right? So after sorting this array and this array, this array I have sorted in decreasing order, right? So the first maximum element will be what? Nums of 0, right? And the second, okay, I will write in F in first mention in F. Okay, so it will be nums. Let's write long because we have to find the answer in long, right? So long F is equals to long of nums of 0, right? And simply F second will be S and it will be nums of 1. Okay, all right, understood. Now we'll simply find. We will see now. See, we have chosen the two of this element. Now the third element we will replace simply, and we will replace the minimum element in this array with the maximum value, right? Now we don't know, okay, we don't know whether this is positive or negative, but we know one thing that after multiplication, I should get a positive answer, right? And by observing all the test cases, we can observe that in any test case, we can obtain a positive answer, okay, positive or zero answer. If there are two elements zero, then two elements zero. Basically, if one of this is zero, and other is minimum which we have to replace and this that is also zero, then the answer could be zero. But if there is the situation of any negative answer, then we can obtain a positive answer by just choosing the maximum negative value, right? So we'll simply return, see, we will return simply s, okay, into, or just write answer, okay, just write special answer. So long answer is equals to f into s into this value on minus 10 to the power 5, right? So 10 to the power 5 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we have to write this as absolute, right? So we return the absolute of answer. Okay. Let's see if there is any error, any syntax error, or any logical error. Okay. So there isn't any error in these three cases. Okay. Let's submit this question. Okay. See. Okay. So this was the solution of this question. Uh, I hope you understood this solution. If you have any more doubts or if you want a solution from different approach, then please comment in this video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do consider it subscribing. Okay. And yeah, that's all. Thank you, everyone.